Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try to make a beef stew, and I never made beef stew before, but this is the first time trying to make it. And what I have here, I have black Angus beef right here, beef stew meat already cut up already, and two packages, so about 2.5 pounds. I have one onion. I'm going to use this little potato right here, little potatoes. Instead of using the baked potato and then peel it and cut it, I'm gonna just leave the skin on. Little potatoes and celery, carrots, tomato paste. Forgot to buy beef broth, but I'm gonna use a chicken broth as a substitute. So I hope it's turn out good. I got thyme, all-purpose flour. Let's prepare the onion. I'm gonna dice the onion. So you just cut like this, not all the way through. And then turn this way and just cut it this way, not all the way through. And then flip it this way, and now see, now if the onion is diced. I'm gonna dice some celery. 3 stems of celery right here. Wash it good. Yep, I'm gonna dice the celery now. Okay, that's enough with so that's all we need with the vegetable, all done chopping up. Now this is a little potato right here. So I'm gonna, in a regular beef stew, they use the like the russet potato, the big one, and then they peel it and then cut into like four sections. But today I'm gonna just use this little potato right here. I think as you can see right here, some of them already start to sprout already, so we need to take care of that. It's only a few of them, I guess, not all of them. So now we're gonna give it a good rinse. All right, that's good. So all the vegetables are prepared. We got the diced onion, the diced celery, carrot cut into chunks like this, and the potato, small potatoes. Everything is set, and now start cooking. And put some oil in there. A little bit oil. I got 2 packages here, so maybe do 1 package at a time. Season it, a little bit of sea salt, or just like use like regular salt. Season it. A little bit of black pepper. Okay. Caramelize on both sides for about 2-3 minutes on both sides. Just want to caramelize it. That's all we want to do here. Yeah, that's what we want. Now flip to the other side. Yeah, that's all we want right here. And then just take it out. We'll do the same thing with the other package. Alright, remove the second batch. See all the good stuff right here? Just put a little more oil in there. That's gonna bring out a lot of flavor, all that beef. Just put in the diced onion and the diced celery. Okay, now put the tomato paste. Alright, now put in a couple all-purpose flour right here. A tablespoon of that. So to thicken up the stew. I don't have the beef broth, but I'm gonna use chicken broth as a substitute. So one, this is 32 ounces. So one of this. All right, the water come to a boil, and now let's put the beef back in. I'm gonna finish. Off cooking in the slow cook. I'm gonna transfer it all here. Yeah, finish the cooking in the slow cook. All right, I'm now gonna add the potato in. I'm gonna add the carrots in. Gonna season a little bit, salt and pepper. Okay, and now throw in this thyme. And just let it cook about 2 hours in this slow cook. Let's plug this in somewhere. Okay, we're gonna put this in this slow cook for, put it to high. Let it cook about 2 hours, and then that should be it. It should look good. I guess it took longer than expected. That took almost 4 hours. I thought it was only gonna take like 2 hours, but almost 4 hours to. And the slow cooker takes a little longer. So the final product is really good right here. Look at it. It's really. Let me see. The meat. Okay, let's taste a little bit. It's really good. But the only thing that I put too much, probably the tomato paste, kind of a little sour, but otherwise tastes really good. So next time I might be holding back on the tomato paste a little bit. Oh, it's good. Right now it's like the weather outside around 60 degrees. This is a good way to, to eat the beef stew. So if you have a chance, you know, it's easy to make. So give it a try, and this is really good for good weather like this. So thank you so much for watching. You like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Mm, mm, mm.